In order to activate your GBoard settings, if you don't have it, you go to Play Store and download it. You open your Play Store, find it on your phone, download GBoard, then go to settings. That if you already have it, you go to settings. So before you download anyway, you may go and check. You may already have it. Go to settings, scroll down to the bottom, and you would see system. The system settings, you open it, then you should see GBoard here at the top. You should see GBoard. Now you open the GBoard, the language and input. Sorry, you open the language and input. You should see the second option here is virtual keyboard. That's where you see that you already have it. So if you don't have it, you go and download it before coming here. Or after coming here and you don't have it, you go to Play Store and download it. Then you open it, multilingual typing. You touch it. So when you come here, I'm using English and Igbo. You go to languages. You say add language, add keyboard. At the bottom here, you should see add keyboard. You see that? You then search for your language. You can search for Hausa, or simply scroll down. Look at that. There's Hausa, Ghana, Hausa, Nigeria. You can just scroll down, find your language, and you can see Ebira, Igala, Edo, blah blah blah, Isoko. Many. We know we have over 400 languages. So you add yours. That will enable you to find some special alphabets that are not in English. That's why you do this. Okay. So after doing it, you go to clipboard. You can see clipboard. You open clipboard. Enable these options. This one, and this one. You may not need screenshot, but after you understood these two, you may go ahead with the enabling the screenshots. So you enable it like this. I also prefer that the number rows show separately on my own. So after this, you then log in. After the setting, you go to Now Portal, login. You go to Now Portal, log into your portal. Then you open this menu here, this menu button here. Go to My Courses. My Courses. Then you open one of these courses. The course, actually, the particular course you want to copy out the questions. Pool 213. You go to Assignment TML1. You open your TML1. It's not green here because it has not been submitted. No questions. It says no questions. Okay, we go back and pick another course. Let's say 201. You go to GST 201. TML1 has been submitted. You go down to TML2, not submitted. Then you go on. You can see start attempt or continue if you have opened it before. So you hold this down, tap and hold, drag it, only the questions. You can see copy there. Once you release your hand, you see copy. Then you copy. So when you copy it like this, you go to next. Okay, let me show you what it has done. When you copy it, it has entered your GBoard. Look at it. You should be watching the keyboard, not the text here. The sacking. So, question number 2. Most Hausa communities. Just press and hold, copy, next. Press and hold, copy, then go to next. Now you can see it doesn't take time. The only time it took here is just the settings. Copy. You have finished copying. So you are not submitting. To go back to the first question, you just touch question 1. It goes back to the first question. That's it. You can log out anyway, or go to the next go to the next course. So after that, you go to what do we call it? You go to WPS app. You can see WPS app has opened, and here you see this plus sign here. You touch it, you see that there are icons. This one especially, that's the one I want you to be using. I don't want documents. You go to TXT. This one is light, it doesn't consume data. You open it, that's it. So when you come here, touch this central button here, this clipboard, this one here. That's the one that shows everything you have copied. You can see. The last one you copied is this one, Abuteje. The second one is this one. You can see that. But before you do that, you need to touch this, press enter maybe twice, and touch the second one, touch here, press enter twice, go back. This is the third question. You can see that it's not that difficult. You cannot delete these 4 you have. You see that? So, but before you do that, it's better you should be copying like 4 questions each time. You copy 4 questions, you come here and paste. You go back, copy 4 questions, you come here and paste. Don't copy all. Copy 4 questions, you come here and paste. It has limited memory. It cannot hold too much information in it. So that's it. That's it.